Hello, hello, hello. It's me again. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am here with another Rite haul for you. Another spend 60, get $15 back in bonus cash. And guys, I found some more clearance. I don't know if these have been posted yet, but I'm going to post them just in case they haven't so that you can take advantage of them. So you want to make sure that you have your barcodes. Remember, there's one barcode for each account. So you can only use the web once, the social once, the email once, and the circular once, all for one account. So that means you could do the deal 4 times, okay? And you have to be at $60 before your coupons and before tax. And then you can deduct your coupons and all of that. And remember, load to card coupons does not affect you getting the $15 back in bonus cash, because I did use a load to card coupon just to prove it to you guys. So get your phones out so that you could take some screenshots of these UPCs and get your coupon inserts out, because you're going to need those. Or you can go to PG Every Day and print some coupons. I'm going to put the link to that website in the description box as well as in the comments. And let's get ready to save. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the button next to it. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video, and you can save just like I'm saving. So guys, all of this was done in one transaction. So first I'm going to start with the bounce dryer sheets. So I got 2 of those. Let me show you the UPC, because these are some of the P&G products that were marked down. And where is it? Okay, here we go. So there is the UPC. I'll leave that up so that you can get it. Okay, it is the 40 count. Now, when I went to another store, because this isn't the store I went to yesterday. So when I went to the other store, I think it was like the 108 count or whatever was marked down. So is the 40 count. So all of my stores are not tagged, because at the other store, the 40 count was not tagged. And I wish I would have known that, because I would have gotten that. But they were not tagged. So that's why I'm doing these different videos to show you guys, because every store I go to, there's different things. Some's tagged, some's not tagged, and then there's some that's tagged, but I mean that's not tagged, that are tagged, excuse me, but I can't see if it's really the right one, because there's one store where there's wrong tags, but I can't scan it because it's no longer in stock. So it's just a big mess here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at the Rite Aids. So those bounce dryer sheets are regularly $3.19. They're 50% off. So they come down to $1.59. Now, I couldn't use any coupons on those. The dollar bounce dryer sheets does not work on that item. So I don't know if you guys have another coupon or something that can work on that. But the 40 count dryer sheets, there's no coupon that works on it. Unless you find one, let me know. So I got 2 of those. Then I got these condoms. Now this deal has been going on for a while. If you can see the glue on top of the boxes, that is from where I took the peely off of them. Here you can see the UPCs. So these are regularly $12.99, but they're 50% off. So they come down to $6.49, but then there's a $5 peely on them, and they scan. So then that means that they were only $1.49. That is an excellent deal, guys, for 10 condoms. So the next thing that I grabbed was the Gain Botanicals. Now, again, this was marked at one store I went to, but wasn't marked at the other. So those are, and there's 2 different sizes. So those are the 40 ounce. Now, they do sell a larger ounce, but I don't know if those are on clearance or not because there weren't any for me to scan. But I'm guessing that they probably are since there weren't any for me to scan. But those are actually 50% off also. And those come down, they're regularly $8.99. Excuse me, they're regularly $7.99. And they came down to $3.99. And for some reason, oh, okay, there we go. Okay, the $2 gain coupon came off of these. That was in the new P&G insert. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so next I got the Tide Pods. Let me show you that. It's the 57 count. Now let me get you the UPC. Here's the UPC so that you grab the right one. Okay. And again, that's the 57 count, the 3-in-1. Oh, here is the UPC. If you want to see the UPC for the gain, that is the UPC. Let me turn it that way. That's the UPC for the gain, okay? All right, so those Tide Pods were also 50% off. All the P&G products I got were 50% off, okay? So I'm looking at my receipt here. So those were regularly $18.99. So those came down to $9.49. And I was able to use the $3 off Tide Pods coupon for that. Now, the next 2 gain products I got, don't get these confused, okay? So I got the 51 count and I got the 21 count. So let me get you the UPC for the 51 count. Okay, and that is the 3-in-1. So that is the UPC for the 51 count. Okay. And that one, because they're 2 different prices, guys, okay? So I just want to make sure that we're keeping everything straight here. So the 51 count was $17.99. 50% off brings it to $8.99. And I used the manufacturer coupon. It doesn't say. So maybe my coupon didn't go through, which it may not have, because again, like I said, at these Rite Aids, everything is just so goofed up. Okay, the $3 coupon came off of that one. So I was able to use the $3 coupon that was in your save insert that doesn't expire until like, I think June 14th or something. I don't have it anymore, or else I would show it to you. I only had one. So that's all that I could, well, that's all that they have. Thank goodness they didn't have any other ones, or I would have been upset because I wouldn't have had a coupon for it. But I would have still gotten it anyway. Okay. So then the 21 count is still the 3-in-1. It's just a different count. Let me show you the UPC for that. That's the 21 count. Okay. And surprisingly, it's not too much of a price difference between the 21 and the 51 count. So I was really shocked because I really would have grabbed as many 51 counts as I could. But like I said, they only had the one. So the 21 count was $15.99. And 50% off of that comes to $7.99. And I used the $3 coupon on that one too. Okay. Now, none of these were tracking for the spend 30 and get 10 back in bonus cash. So please keep that in mind. I don't want you to get that mixed up, okay? And then my last thing I got, guys, this was a really incredible deal. So I linked a video for this because this Dollar Shave Club deal is really good. So I got those 2 Dollar Shave Club shave gels. Those are $5.99 each. So basically you say that's $12. But there's a load to card coupon, digital coupon for $6.99 off when you buy 2. Plus, when you buy one of these items, you get $3 back in bonus cash, and you could do it up to 4 times. So I got $6 back in bonus cash plus the $6.99 back for the digital coupon. So basically you round that up, that's 7 plus the bonus cash is 6. That's $13. So this was like $1 money maker, guys. I'd say that's a incredible deal if my math is right. So $5.99, $5.99, 6 and 6, that's 12. And so you take off the 7 for the digital coupon and the $6. Yep, that's $1 money maker. Plus, you know, it was a great way to help me get to the spend 60, get $15 back in bonus cash. And that's another reason why I added the condoms in, because that was a whopping, you know, almost, that was $19 and some that helped me get to my spend 60. Plus I resell them, and I'm giving them to some of my cousins that are going away to college, because one of the biggest reasons that freshmen flunk out, well, not flunk out, but the reasons freshmen don't go back there next year is because they end up getting pregnant. So we want to make sure that we don't do that. Not that I'm condoning, you know, teenage sex, but we want to make sure these college students are not getting pregnant and practicing safe sex. So I'm going to get off that rampage. But anyways, guys, this was an incredible deal. So I'm going to show you my receipt now. So here you see the condoms, $6.49. Okay, the $5 coupon came off of each one of them. You see I got 3. And then next you see the Giant Botanicals liquid. Okay, and you see the $2 coupon came off of that. They were $3.99, $2 coupon came off. And then you see 2 of them. So next is the Tide Pods, $9.49, the $3 coupon came off of that. The Game Flings 21 count, $7.99. The $3 coupon came off of that. Game Flings 51 count, $3.99. I mean, $8.99. I wish it came down to $3.99. $3 coupon came off of that. The Bounce Dryer Sheets, each $1.59. The Dollar Shave Club was $5.99. You see 2 of those. And then you see the Load to Card coupon came off of that for $6.99. So that total came to $34.09. But then I got back $21 in bonus cash. So that was $15 for the barcode and $3 for each one of the shave gels. And you'll see that here. $15 for the barcode, $3 for each shave gel. So that's $21. So when you take 21 from the $34.09, that meant that I paid $13.09 out of pocket. Guys, that's an excellent deal for all of these P&G products. You can say that I paid for a pack of the condoms and got everything else free. Or I paid for the Game Flings 21 count and got everything else free. Or the $2 shave clubs that got everything else free. It's an excellent deal, guys. Even if you don't have coupons, it's still an excellent deal. So let me know what you're able to find. I hope you're able to find some of these clearance things. That's why I was giving you the UPCs. Hope you're able to find the Dollar Shave Club deal, because again, that's something that you can give away for Father's Day, graduation gift, Christmas gift, whatever. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.